Okay, number 15. Two parallel tangents of a circle meet a third tangent at points a straight line as the center. Two parallel tangents, that is this and this, of a circle meet a third tangent at points a right angle at the center. See here, POC, that is equal to, are you listening? Okay, now this OP, OQ and OA, OB and OC are joined. Now see, triangle OPA, this triangle and triangle OCP, these two triangles. See, these two lines OA and OC are the radius of the circle, this one and this one. So these two are equal and this is common side and these two are tangent. So this is 90, this is also 90 degree. So how will happen? These two triangles are congruent. Now congruent means everything is equal. That means this angle equal to this angle also. That means, see here, APO and CPO, these two are equal. The angle I have shown here, this one and this one are equal. That is written here. Equation number 1 given. Now if you take OCQ, that means this triangle and this triangle. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. This is common, this side equal to this side. That means these two triangles also are congruent. That means this angle equal to this angle. Given 3, 4. Here name given 1, 2, here 3, 4. So 1 and 2 equal, 3 and 4 equal. Here it is written. Now see, APC. That means this total angle is equal to any one angle double, you can tell. It is written CPO, double CPO, that is written. This angle also can be written, but I did not write that one because if I write this one, I'll get one profit. What is that profit? I am telling you. See here, APC plus CBQ is equal to 180. APC, here this is APC means this one, plus CQB, this angle equal to 180 degree. Why? Because these two tangents, see, one tangent is this, another tangent is this. These two tangent and this is also one tangent, they meet at 90 degrees. So they are parallel. This side and this side are parallel. That is why this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. That is written here, 180 degree. So here in this place I am writing 2 into CPO and this place I am writing 2 into CQ. That is, before only you have got this thing. And this one also. Now if you put this one and see here, if you divide everything of this equation by 2, then here 2 cut, here 2 cut, here after cutting 90. That means we are getting CPO and CQO. See here, where it is CPO and CQO. CPO means this angle. Let me remove everything. That means CPO means this angle, plus CQO, that is this angle, plus POQ. See here, this equal to 180 degree because it is angles of a triangle PQO. This is one triangle. So total it is coming 180 degree. Now see, we have got CPO and CQO equal to 90 degree. So here, if you put 90 degree plus POQ is there equal to 180. So 90 will go that side, will be subtracted, 180 minus 90, that is equal to POQ. And that is only told to prove that this tangent hold 90 degree at the center. The diagram I am drawing again. This is one tangent, this is one tangent, and with this tangent another tangent drawn 90 degree with this. See here. So this tangent, this part will hold 90 degree to the center. This is only we have to prove. This angle will be 90 degree, we have to prove this, and see, it is proved here. Understand?